graphic note course I did from this TGC animation from Southex. The overall experience was great. We learned different softwares and we also created our portfolios for our jobs and interviews. So overall, the experience is great. I would recommend TGC for your graphic designs and animations. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sakshi. I'm completed my video editing course from TGC Animation and Multimedia Institute. वीडियो एडिटिंग में मैंने Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects करा है. Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects मैंने दीपक सर से करा है. वो बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं. उनका टीचिंग मेथड बहुत अच्छा है. And I have a great experience there. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Bhuvan Singh and I have done my graphic design course from TGC Multimedia and Animation. TGC has very good and cooperative staff and I have very good experience at TGC, and I really recommend others to join TGC. And I got placement at Indian Express Group and I would like to thank TGC for the placement. Thank you.
My name is Neeraj Kumar. I enrolled in TGC in Python and Data Science, and Mr. Sulabh sir is our mentor. He studied very much so well in Python. He did also with advanced concepts also like in easy manner. And I also enrolled in Data Science that comprises of so many projects. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Praveen and I had joined TGC for Python and Data Science training, and I had wonderful experience. Faculty was very good and supportive. If you guys are looking for Python Training Institute, I would recommend you to join TGC Institute. That's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Samuel Johnson and I have completed my graphic designing course from TGC. I want to thank Zakir sir as he was my trainer. He helped me and guided me and molded me into a graphic designer today. He was the best sir. He shared his knowledge and wisdom with us in every class. He is so knowledgeable that he knows how to get out of a problem. Where we stuck, he was like, this is so simple, you have to do it. And we did it. He is the best teacher. I want to thank TGC and I want to thank Zakir sir. They helped me in becoming a graphic designer. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Akash Dwara and I'm a music production student in TGC Delhi, and I'm just here to make a feedback video because I just wanted to say before I did that this is a really good school to learn or get involved in music production. So if you guys are out there looking to get involved in music production in some sort of way, this is definitely the place to be because this course and this institution really provides you the best learning environment that one can get in this country. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Rajiv and now I'm a graphic designer. I have just completed my course from TGC Animation and Multimedia from South Extension, New Delhi. There are lots of courses to do and you can make your career in these lines. And if I talk about the teachers and the environment, it is really amazing. And I have Zakir sir and Arun have taught me, and they are very friendly in nature and I just love it to learn here. And this is the one thing which I found here, that everyone is pulling you to keep going on your way, and one day you will definitely do whatever you want to do with the support of all the members and staff from TGC. Thank you so much for listening to me.
My name is Arvind Singh and I have done my graphic design course of 6 months from TGC Multimedia. The main thing is that all these faculties are very supportive, especially Zakir sir and Parul ma'am. They also provide you special classes regarding the courses. They have flexible timings and I am very satisfied from my graphic design course from TGC Multimedia. Thank you.